Leaders are judged through the actions they take. When the masses oppose government policies, a good leader will choose to listen to the people. A bad leader will choose to stick with what benefits him. Ndisapenda mashoko budaita kupana pana makomichi achiti panguva ino sezvamuri kuona kuti ma good leaders vanouya vachitirira zvinhu zvevanhu, but my bad leaders vanouya vachimpoza, vanouya vachingotema nedemo kuti zvakati nezvatinoda kuti zviitiwe. Ndisapenda mashoko ataukwa namakomichi panguva ino atoona kuti anouya achipraisa VP Constantino Chiwenga for offering an ear the citizens of Zimbabwe. Don't go subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Makomichi kudanyora chiti good leaders listen, bad leaders impose. Chiwenga chooses the people on bill number 3. Leaders are judged through the actions they take. When the masses oppose government policies, a good leader will choose to listen to the people. A bad leader will choose to stick with what benefits him. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga is proved to be a good leader. He is demanding that the proposed bill number 3 should go through a referendum so that every citizen can speak with their voice. That is the standard. The Constitution of Zimbabwe belongs to the people, not to a ministry. One man, one vote was paid for in blood. Any change to it must be paid for at the ballot by all of us, not by a few in parliament. Vakatupuwa mari nemota uye benefita kubva kubill racho. When war veterans, generals, churches and ordinary citizens say, not like this, listen is not weakness. It is leadership imposing. It is not strength, it is fear. History remembers who stood with the people when it mattered. Chiwenga is chosen his side. The question now is, who else will? Ndo mashkwambuda toko panguva ino na makomichi achiuya achiudza zvakananda kuti what you are trying to do muri kuzama kuenda against my citizens, and tomorrow muchazoziva chokwadi ende vanhu havazombokanganwi kuti you are saying out. Spenda comment section medu dzafungura imo muri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chirona on the bell icon.